If your Liberty Pump Pro 380 stops working, the problem is usually related to power supply issues or a stuck float switch. Start by checking whether the pump is securely plugged in, and confirm the outlet is working by testing it with another device. Also, inspect your circuit breaker or fuse panel since a tripped breaker can stop the pump even if it looks switched on. Reset it completely if needed, and make sure the pump remains properly grounded for safety. If power looks fine, check the float switch inside the basin because this part controls when the pump turns on. Make sure the water level is high enough and nothing is blocking the float from moving freely. You can carefully lift the float by hand to test it. If the pump still doesn't start, the switch may need replacement. When the pump hums but doesn't move waste, the issue is often a clogged discharge pipe or a jammed impeller caused by debris. Always disconnect power before inspecting the unit, and consider professional service if electrical or motor problems continue.